Satnam, Mandeep here from the Kundalini Sanctuary, and today I'm going to share with you a really cool and fun and lively yoga set for emotional balance. It includes some very powerful movement known as miracle bends, which stretch the navel point, and it's also very, very good for regulating your weight. So miracle bends, which also balance the energy. We're also going to be turning anger into calmness, and we're going to be activating the navel point, alleviating feelings of insecurity. It's going to also awaken a fearless spirit, because we're going to do this very unique exercise that is actually taught to military to prepare to go into battle. Going to do the final exercise will improve our coordination and our concentration and creates stamina and clear thinking. So we'll begin as always with tuning in. This is a Kundalini Kriya, and we're going to tune in with the mantra Om Namo Gurudev Namo. So we'll just do this from a standing position, and we'll have our hands together at the heart point, pressing about 5 pounds of pressure. All right, and then take a deep breath. Let's close the eyes. Exhale through the open mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Just start to drop into your body. And one more. Good. Now we'll inhale and exhale through the nose. And then we'll inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. And then take a breath in. Feel your feet pressing firmly, lift up through the crown of the head, squeeze the body, and exhale. Good. Now we'll surround ourselves with this beautiful mantra for protection and radiance. Adigade name, Jugadagade name, Satagade name, Siddhigodadeve name. Adigade name, Jugadagade name, Satagade name, Siddhigodadeve name. Adigade name, Jugadagade name. Satagade name, Siddhigodadeve name. Inhale. Holding your breath, tighten the body again, but expand your radiance, expand this light frequency that emanates from you, all directions. Good, and then exhale. Beautiful. All right, so remember, whenever we practice Kundalini, we always do this tuning in process because it is a formula. And we start with that, which basically tunes us into now in the present moment is the time to practice yoga, and acknowledging that we are our own teacher and that there is a teaching in everything. That's essentially what those mantras are offering us to experience. Okay, so let's start with our emotional balance kriya. So I'm going to turn to the side, and the way that we do our posture is very specific with the legs. So we're going to put our legs together, but we're going to make the feet in a slight V. And you're going to feel that your toes to heels are very much balanced. Now, as we stretch up and back with the arms, we're going to go back to about a 20-degree angle. And you're just going to stay here and breathe. This stretches and opens the navel point. This is adjusting the navel. And then just do long, deep breathing here. Stay balanced. Don't collapse in the low back. Eyes can be open or closed. Really stretching the navel point. This is part of the first exercise called the miracle bends. We're here for another minute. Keep breathing, keep stretching up and back. Keep the legs strong. Don't clench the buttocks, don't collapse in the low back. Lifting up and back. Take a breath in, and we'll slowly exhale with a lengthened spine, coming all the way down. Little soft bend of the knees, coming all the way down. Really lengthen the spine, and I have something that is going to elevate the floor so I can place my palms flat. This is the second part of the miracle bend. So now, as you inhale, you're going to hold the breath in and pump the navel. There's no breath associated with it. You're just going to gently but firmly pump your navel. When you need to exhale, exhale, hold the breath out, and pump the navel with the breath out. And continue. It's your discretion how long you hold the breath out and how long you hold the breath in. Pumping the navel as you do so. Couple more. Good. Now, soft bend in the knees, coming up with a lengthened spine. Come all the way up, inhaling slowly, exhaling the arms down. Now just stand quietly for a moment and let everything readjust. That's a very big exercise to do for the internal pressurization of the body. So take your time standing up. If you feel a little bit dizzy or a little unsettled, then take a minute. Maybe you need to sit down or drink some water. In fact, that's a good idea. We're going to drink some water. Water is great for emotional balance, by the way. The mantra that I've chosen for this set is very intentional. It's the Chattara Chakravarti. This is the version by Ikana. It's a really good one. And it's for fearlessness. It's very much for courage, heart energy, and fearlessness. Okay, so now we've adjusted our navel point. We are starting to really balance our energy and turn this sense of anger into calmness. Anger is a healthy feeling. It's actually a very healthy feeling as long as you're not enraged and not in this total hot-headed scenario. But if you can utilize the energy of anger coming from the heart for right action, that's what you need. Okay, we're going to bring our legs fairly far apart. And again, they're going to slightly turn out. We're going to bend the knees. And Jen calls these my T-Rex arms, alligator arms, right? So we've got the elbows into the body, and the forearms are parallel to the floor. But our wrists and hands are hanging very heavy and limp. Now we'll start to circle the hips. And this is the very specific exercise that awakens a fearless spirit. So you can go circle whichever direction you want to go. But this is going to awaken your fearless spirit. And this is the exercise that alleviates feelings of insecurity and also is the one that is taught to prepare warriors before they go into battle. We're here for about 2 minutes. Very specifically and very deliberately and smoothly rotating your hips. Smooth, steady. One more minute. Good. Now inhale. Hold. Now squeeze the rectum, lift the sex organs, pelvic floor, navel in and up. Apply the Mula Bandha. Really consolidate all this powerful energy around the pelvic bowl, lower triangle, and relax. Beautiful. Okay, this last exercise is very unique. It improves our concentration and our coordination and really creates stamina and clear thinking. So this is the one that really just kind of puts it all together. The miracle bends, the adjustment of the navel point, and then our awakening the fearless spirit with our alleviating any feelings of insecurity. All of this is, remember, is for emotional balance. So here's how we start. We'll bring our arms out to the sides, or excuse me, in front of us. But we're doing concentric circles as we bend forward halfway. So we'll bring our right arm up and the left arm down, doing full circles. So start there. All right? Now, with the soft knee, we're going to come halfway down. And then we're going to come all the way up and stretch back just a little bit and keep going. This puts it all together. Keep going. Have fun with this. This expands your aura too. Really creates strong radiance. You're improving your concentration, creating very clear thinking. One more minute. Keep going. Clear the way for my destiny. Woo! Keep up. We came to live this life love. Yeah. Keep up. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Sweep the arms down. Whew. Place the right hand on the belly, left hand on the heart. Just integrate all this. Good. Inhale and exhale. Nice. Now bring your hands into prayer mudra, sealing your practice with one long sat and a short nam. Sat nam. Sat nam. When you need emotional balance, you feel like you're all over the place, do this practice. It's short, it's powerful, it's potent, and it's very effective. Good luck with it. Sat Nam.